Alrighty. This is the last little overview before you guys do your retake. So we're gonna start with we're gonna finish up here with questions 20 and 21. The target says, I know how to evaluate functions. So what we're going to be doing here is given a function, we're going to have to evaluate that function. So we are given f of x is equal to x squared. G of x is equal to 2x plus 5. And finally, h of x is equal to x squared minus 1. So, what we're going to be evaluating here is, for number 20, h of, sorry, this is weird, you got to do it in bracket, h of f of -2. Now, to evaluate this kind of a function, first you have to solve the inside function. So that's what we're going to do real quick. We're going to solve the inside function, f of x, f of -2 is equal to -2 squared. Therefore, f of -2 is equal to 4. Now, we just plug that in to h of f of -2. So we know that f of -2 is now 4. So h of f of -2 is really just h of 4. So now we have to find h of 4. So h of 4, given the function h of x is equal to x squared minus 1, is equal to 4 squared minus 1. And whenever I use these parentheses, it's usually because I'm plugging something in. So, squaring the 4, now we get 16 minus 1 is equal to h of 4. And finally, just subtract that, we get 15 equals h of 4. There we go. It's as simple as that. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to do, for number 21, f of g of x minus 1. Now, this one's a little different because we're given, what we're given here is not so much a value as it is a function. So, what we're going to do here, real quick, I'm going to pause just to make sure I'm giving you guys correct information and I don't go out for like 5 minutes on a tangent. Alrighty, so what I was going to do was going to be right, so we're going to go through this. So whenever you're given like f of g of something, whatever is inside of the equation, so f of g, so the g is inside the equation for the f here, you think of that as a number, not as a variable. So f of g of x, we're going to have to think of x minus 1 here as a number and not a variable, so we can just plug it in as normal. So first, like last time, we're going to find g of x of minus 1. So g of x minus 1, once again, we just plug it straight in. So 2x minus 1 plus 5. And once again, there's not going to be a solid solution to this. We're just going to have to keep plugging it in. So that's 2x minus 2 plus 5, distributing out the 2. And simplifying that down, we get g of x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3, subtracting 2 from 5. Therefore, g of x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3. So once again, we can just plug that straight in. So f of 2x plus 3 is the same thing as f of g of x minus 1. Therefore, now all we have to do is plug in this to f of x. So f of 2x plus 3 is equal to, given that f of x is equal to x squared, 2x plus 3 squared. Now all we have to do is FOIL that out, or I like to do the box method, so I'm going to do it that way. So 2x plus 3, 2x 3 gives us 9, 4x squared, 6x, and 6x. Adding all that together, we get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. So, f of 2x plus 3 is equal to 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Let me put that there. Which therefore means f of g of x minus 1 is equal to 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. And I'm going to go rewrite this over here as the same way. h of f of negative 2 is equal to 15. And just to show you can FOIL this. First outer, well, I guess, oh, sorry, I'm not accustomed to doing this, so we're going to do, right, it's, if we take 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3, we do first, which gives us 4x squared, outer, right, which are the, oh, outer is these two, plus 6x, inner gives us 6x again, and last gives us 9. And if you simplify that, you get 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. This is just the way I like to do it. Anyways, do a brief overview. There you go. And yeah, good luck on your guys' retake tomorrow.